Welcome to this lesson on literal equations. Today, we are going to learn how to handle formulas that have multiple variables in them. So, what exactly is a literal equation? Simply put, it is an equation where variables represent known values. You see these all the time in science and math, like area equals length times width, or distance equals rate times time. Let's look at a concrete example. Here is a rectangle. We know the formula for its area is A equals L times W here. A stands for area, L stands for length, and W stands for width. Usually, formulas are set up to solve for one specific thing. But what if we know the area and the length, and we want to find the width? Our goal is to isolate the variable we want. This means getting it all by itself on one side of the equal sign. To do this, we need our toolbox of inverse operations. Remember, addition and subtraction are opposites. Multiplication and division are opposites. To move a variable, we perform the inverse, or opposite, operation. Let's try it. We have the equation A equals L times W. We want to solve for W. Look at the equation. The L is multiplying the W, that is the connection we need to break. Since L is multiplying W, the inverse is division. We divide both sides by L. The L's on the right cancel out, leaving W by itself. So, W equals A divided by L. Let's try a harder one. The perimeter formula is P equals 2L plus 2W. Let's say we want to solve for L. This is a two-step process. First, we need to move the term that does not contain our variable. We want to move the positive 2W, so we subtract 2W from both sides. Now we have P minus 2W equals 2L. Now we have 2 times L. To isolate L, we divide everything by 2. So, L equals the quantity P minus 2W, all divided by 2. To recap, identify the variable you need to solve for. Use inverse operations to move everything else to the other side. And remember, treat the other variables just like regular numbers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.